What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we've been talking about XRP and Ripple and everything that has really happened there for the past week or so, right? Um, Now this has been a problem, obviously, for Ripple for a year, 2 years, 3 years that they've been going through this kind of lawsuit, this battle. But now finally to have a ruling is fantastic, right? It takes a large weight off their shoulders. But now we're having these conversations, and I'm seeing articles about whether Ripple is going to be, or sorry, XRP is going to be, used more, or have a massive use case to it. And I see an article here that I wanted to go through where they're claiming that Ripple says that U.S. banks will now want to use XRP. So I wanted to get into this article, talk about it, and kind of give my, I guess, 2 cents to the whole entire thing. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, you can definitely follow me. Those links are down below. Don't forget, I have a stock related channel, not financial advice channel. If you want to go over here and be a part of it over there, I just uploaded a video on AMC. If you want to go and, follow some stock related content, and we'll do some live streams over there and stuff. So if you want to be a part of that, again, that link will also be in the description, or you can just type in NFA investing and you'll be able to get to that as well. But like I said, I wanted to talk about Ripple because and XRP, because we all know that we're looking for the world currency, right? We have Bitcoin out there that claims that it wants to be the world currency, but it really falls short when it comes to being the world currency in many different areas. But Ripple, and XRP obviously can fill that gap in a large way, and it just makes a ton more sense with that position. I'm starting to get into XRP and learning more and more about this position. So anyways, let's get into this article without wasting a ton of your time. So Ripple says that U.S. banks want to use XRP cryptocurrency after partial victory in the SEC. Now I say it's partial because it's not a complete victory there, but blockchain startup Ripple is confident U.S. banks and other financial institutions in the country will start showing interest in adopting XRP in cross-border payments after a landmark ruling determining the token was not in itself necessarily a security. The San Francisco-based firm expects to start talks with American financial firms about using its on-demand liquidity product, which uses XRP for money transfers in the third quarter. Ripple's general counsel told CNBC with an interview last week. Now, last week, a New York judge delivered the watershed ruling for Ripple, determining that XRP, a cryptocurrency Ripple is closely associated with, in itself was not necessarily a security on its face, contesting in part claims from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission against the company. Ripple has been fighting the SEC for the past 3 years over allegations from the agency that Ripple and two of its executives conducted an illegal offering of $1.3 billion worth of sales of XRP. Ripple disputed the claims, insists XRP cannot be considered a security and is more akin to a commodity. Now, if you scroll down here, right, Ripple also uses the blockchain in its business to send messages between banks, kind of like blockchain-based alternative to Swift. So, quote, I think we're hopeful that this decision would give financial institution customers or potential customers comfort to at least come in and start having the conversation about what problems they are experiencing in their business. Real world problems in terms of moving value cross borders without incurring obscene fees. hopefully this quarter will generate a lot of conversations in the United States with customers, and hopefully some of those conversations will actually turn into real business. Now, this is what I mean, right? This is big to be able to see something like this. Just to have the conversations is a big deal, because we know that XRP can be that global currency, but it has to start somewhere. And being able to cross the line while not paying a ridiculous amount of money is definitely what we want to see. um as you're purchasing certain things or shipping certain things, or making these connections, right, you have fees that you would pay that could be pretty massive, and doing it through the XRP network, doing it through Ripple is just a lot bigger, a lot better than doing it through standard cash, through fiat currency. So it could be something that really does pick up. Now, if you wanted to know where XRP is currently, XRP is currently at 75 cents. It did not see a decrease today within this position. We're seeing it up 3.4%, 3.7% in the day. And it's not really playing catch up to the rest of the market. And this is what I was saying with this position, is that yes, we did see a retracement from 94 cents and all the way down to about 68 cents, but it's showing us a higher floor than what we had before, because of the fact that it's labeled not a security. Now it's currently sitting at a 39 billion dollar market cap. I don't know what I'm seeing here. And we're looking at about $2.4 billion in volume. So we're still seeing billions of dollars that are flowing through this position. Again, this is something where, as an investor, you're looking for the best opportunity to buy, best opportunity to make a ton out of it. But who's to say that this wouldn't be worth more than where Bitcoin is now, right? Or double what Bitcoin is, or triple what Bitcoin is worth now. Now, I'm not saying it would be crazy, to be so much more a higher value than Bitcoin, but it's possible, right? Because what it could be something that Bitcoin has always kind of dreamed of being, but XRP is set up to be that, if that makes sense. So I think this is pretty big news, is pretty interesting news, just to be able to have the conversations. And I think they will happen on, whether XRP will be used heavily within banks. And I think that could be the case, where it's, sort of introduced and then sort of, pushed along. But are they also kind of like, hey, I don't want to do this, because we understand how that devalues fiat currency there throughout banks? Is that something where they would have that not only conversation, but internal like debate on whether you can use this because of what it does to fiat currency overall? But if we look at it a completely different way and don't look at it that way, we understand what the future will be, then you kind of adopt this. You have to understand where this can go. So anyways, let me know what you think. I want to know what everybody thinks in the comment section below. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Again, if you guys want to check out my NFA channel, which is related to stocks and stuff, feel free to check that out as well. Also, we have some links, some referral links down below. And yeah, so I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.